motherhood comes much later to us in life. We as human beings, who are we as human beings first? So this is one platform where we wanted to spread out this message that please acknowledge yourself as a human being, and then look at yourself as a mother. Probably you will feel more empowered, less guilty, with less regrets, with less pressure, like we all have. And so we want you to share something which, through the medium of the report that you have done, the course that you have done, whatever little you could, change, even a little bit, even a, needle point change can actually culminate into a dominoes effect and make it a huge change over the period of time. So whether it is in context of you as a mother, or whether it is in context of you as a person, what change did you bring about? How did you realize that? If it was from the report, great. um, and for your children as well, if you could figure out something about your child and change the perspective a little bit, and because of that, because of your persistent effort, something changed.
There were sleepless nights, and I was like, oh my god, because I can share one example if you are okay, Shivani, quickly.
Please, please.
She's a child who loves adventures, and 2 o'clock in the night, she took car keys and went on for a drive, and she's 16 years old. And I got to know after 1 week, and I freaked out, and I shared this with Shivani also. So, and she's been doing all these things, and I know she will do all these things. But so again, the consequential thinking is not there, as Shivani rightly said, and the analysis also said. So I understood that I cannot stop her, but I can deal with her, talk to her, and counsel her and make her understand things. And that calming down factor was there कि ये उसका trait है, उसको आपको accept करना है और कैसे deal करना है. I think that's where it was quite helpful.
Wow, thank you for sharing that. And, I mean, it's very personal. So it's, of course, thank you again. Her consequential thinking is low, but her AQ is very high. And that actually balances it out. And believe me, I always say this about her, that in the world, when you go out, AQ is very important.
Absolutely.
And it can be increased. So that girl, she's a go-getter. If you tell her, literally the Hanuman, the female Hanuman is what I call her, she can actually go and, I mean, she'll just go and get you the whole, Parvat and Sanjeevani booty nikalni hai, to usme se nikal types.
So I think that the AQ is high was a calming factor, क्योंकि मुझे ये समझ आया कि अगर कुछ कहीं जाएगी भी तो उसको पता है कि करना क्या है, एडवर्स सिचुएशन को हैंडल कर लेगी. तो दैट वाज द कामिंग फैक्टर, बिकॉज पहले तो वो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि ये फैक्टर है भी. So I think this is a great tool to understand.
Yeah, and to increase consequential thinking is when we told you to give her the responsibility. Okay, fine, you want to take the car, you take the car.
That also worked to a great extent.
But then, you have to decide. So again, consequential thinking can be increased. And thank you so much for that share. I'm very, very happy to know genuinely we've connected after so long that the fear factor has come down to 4. Wow, that's an achievement.
It has.
So well done on that. Keep going on that, and we'll meet Arushi soon. Thank you again, Rimjim. That was wonderful.
Thanks to both of you for being there, and showing me this.
Thank you.